Yeah, my name's Janaya. I'm a nurse by trade, and I'm now coming into property investing.
Excellent. And tell me about the week and the experience of the Samuel Leeds training.
Okay, so it's been fabulous. From the get-go, from the minute we've got here, everyone's just been so welcoming. The course is great. All the pre-learning, I feel like obviously over the week it's just consolidated everything, sort of straightened everything out for me. It's given me a better sense of my niche and my strategy. And yeah, overall it's just been great.
Well, that was good. Okay, nice. Next question is, what do you think Samuel and the team as a whole are?
Okay, so Samuel, absolutely great guy. From when I went on the £1 crash course, I jumped in, had a photo with him. He was welcoming, he's approachable, he's so informative, and his team, I can't tell you how great they are. Tyrone especially, he's the one who inspired us.
Tyrone especially.
Yeah, so Tyrone especially, I think he inspired us. I reached out to him. Obviously, he gave us like a bit of an overview, and then that's what sort of brought us here today. But yeah, they're all so approachable, so supportive. You can tap into anybody if you've got any questions, if you're unsure about anything. And I'd just like to mention Sue is fabulous.
So what made you get into property?
Okay, so it's a bit of a weird one for me. So my dad's always been into property. He's always done like buy to lets, and then my friend introduced me to Samuel Leeds on YouTube. At first, I was a little bit skeptical, and then the more I watched, the more I saw, I just knew this was for me, and I knew it's something that once I got my teeth into, I'm going to go all guns blazing. And with the support from the fabulous team, you know you're going to get there.
What's the next steps for you?
Okay, so the next steps is we want to secure a property and we want to start off and do a flip first. We're going to do a joint venture with a close family member. So I think that'll give us the confidence at first. Obviously, we're here at the deal finding extravaganza, and we're going to be enrolling onto the academy and going all guns blazing with that. Okay, I'd just say I'm a nurse from a normal background. My dad's had properties in the past. It's never been something I've been interested in or never thought that I'd really want to get interested in. I come down to the £1 crash course, and I can guarantee you'll love it, you'll be amazed, and you'll just want to go all guns blazing and running like we have.